Hello guys, welcome to computer networking course. This course introduces you to the different network classifications. Knowing this gives you idea to the what and how of these networks. What are the devices to be used? How can we connect with these devices? And what security can be done? And so on. A network is a collection of computers connected to each other. The network allows computers to communicate with each other and share resources and information. In terms of network, the first computer network in the world, which is designed in the late 1960s and early 1970s, is the ARPANET. So the Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, designed this for the United States Department of Defense. The following list presents categories used for classifying networks. We have by scale. Networks can be classified as local area network, LAN, the wide area network, WAN, metropolitan area network, MAN, personal area network, PAN, and virtual private network. So it can also be classified by net connection method. Computer networks are classified according to the hardware and software technology that is used to interconnect the individual devices in the network. So it can be by optical fiber, Ethernet, wireless LAN, home PNA, or power line communications. Ethernet uses physical wiring to connect devices. Frequently deployed devices includes hubs, switches, bridges, and or routers. Wireless LAN technology is designed to connect devices without wiring. These devices use radio waves or infrared signals as a transmission medium. So, network can also be classified according to functional relationship or what we call the network architecture. So, computer networks are classified according to functional relationships which exist among the elements of the network. Example, we have the active networking, client server, peer-to-peer, or workgroup architecture, something like that. And network can also be classified according to its network topology, upon which the network is based, such as bus network, star network, ring network, mesh network, star bus, tree or hierarchical topology network. Network topology signifies the way in which devices in the network see their logical relation to one another. The use of the term logical here is significant. That is, network topology is independent to the physical layout of the network. Even if network computers are physically placed in a linear arrangement, if they are connected via hub, the network has a star topology rather than a bus topology. In this regard, the visual and operational characteristics of a network are distinct. The logical network topology is not necessarily the same as the physical layout. So we will be discussing this one by one as we go on in our course. So stay tuned and watch for the next part. Thank you.